Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. As promised during this morning's beach walk, I wanted to give you a look at the Ritz-Carlton Residences. See how that's coming along here. This is at the intersection of Vanderbilt Beach Road and Gulfshore Drive, but it's moving right along, as you can see. Vanderbilt Beach Park off in the distance. By the way, the drop-off area at Vanderbilt Beach Park is open, finally, as is the parking garage and the restrooms. I think these condos, you'll see those here as I come around the corner, are going to be 10 or 12 stories high. I think they're up to 7 floors already. I'll give you a look from the corner here. Okay, this is the intersection of Vanderbilt and Gulfshore. Earlier this morning I was talking to my friend Paulo at the Vanderbilt Beach Resort, home to the world famous Turtle Club restaurant. He said as far as he's concerned, season has already begun here. They're already doing great at the resort and the restaurant. So that's good news. I'll walk over and give you a look at the back side of the project. Noisy here. Somebody's got a blower going, but this is what I call the back side of the project. This is where the mid-rise units are going. Over here to our left, this empty lot, that's where the Lighthouse Inn, Buzz's Lighthouse Inn used to be. Buzz's Lighthouse restaurant in the distance there. But they're moving right along back here. Hit that share button. I know there's a lot of folks that are curious as to what's going on. I hope this helped curtail your curiosity. I do what I can. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Hey, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.